Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting both devices ready. Update Mac OS and iPad OS and sign into the same Apple ID so Sidecar or external display features appear. Once done, plug the iPad into the Mac Mini with a USB-C or Lightning cable for the most reliable first connection. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on. That allows wireless fallback later. Then open System Settings on the Mac and go straight to Displays to begin detecting and adding the iPad as a display. Next, configure the iPad as an actual monitor. In System Settings, Displays, select the iPad and treat it like any external monitor. Drag the menu bar to the iPad's icon to set it as your primary display so Windows and the dock appear there by default. Adjust resolution and scaling to balance sharpness and usable space. Rotate the display if you want portrait mode. If using Sidecar, enable the sidebar or touch bar options to add quick controls. Finally, test keyboard and pointer input to confirm seamless control. Finish by tidying your workspace settings. Arrange the display positions in System Settings so the cursor moves naturally between screens, and lock display sleep options to avoid unwanted disconnects. For video editing or gaming, prefer a wired connection. For casual productivity, you can use wireless AirPlay or Sidecar. If the iPad drops connection, restart Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, reconnect the cable, or toggle AirPlay on the Mac. These quick steps resolve most issues. If problems persist, reboot both devices and recheck Apple ID and permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.